Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 packed with built-in indicators and candlestick patterns. The link is in the description below if you want to grab that. In this video, we are going to be discussing the basket grid EA, also listed as FLF PRO. And to confirm, this is an MT5 Expert Advisor. All right, it's developed exclusively for MetaTrader 5. It is free to download on the MQL5 marketplace, developed by Farouk Youssef Ahmed Haidara, and it is currently on version 17.1. Okay, the listing describes this as a professional grid based system combining what it calls smart dual basket management with adaptive trade handling. All right. Now, rather than a single position at a time, the idea here is managing buy and sell baskets independently with features like adaptive lot progression, dynamic lot compensation, and what is described as automatic weak basket recovery. Essentially, mechanisms designed to manage groups of positions together rather than one trade in isolation. Okay, so there is also a basket profit target that can be set by points or by percentage, an emergency close system, and a real-time information panel for monitoring things as they happen. Okay, now the listing includes optimized default profiles for three specific symbols: XAUUSD, NAS 100, and BTC USD, though it is clear that these are starting points rather than fixed settings, and users are encouraged to optimize based on their own broker's spread and execution conditions. Worth noting too, because this is a grid-based approach that can hold multiple simultaneous positions, the listing is upfront that it requires adequate trading capital and margin. All right. And specifically warns against pairing it with insufficient capital or excessive leverage. All right, it is built for hedging compatible broker accounts, and the listing recommends a low latency VPS and fast ECN or STP execution for the best experience. All right, now let us move over to the historical testing. Let's see if we have any reports provided. Okay, there is no report provided here. Basically, these images are just showing perhaps the EA in action and a couple of info. But let's head over to our strategy tester. All right, let's see how this EA performed. So I tested this EA on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame, and it was over close to 7 months duration. Okay, from the start of the year, 1st January 2026 to 20th July 2026, basically from the start of the year till date. Okay, so the test was run on a $10,000 starting balance. Now here's what I found, and it is worth flagging directly. Over the entire duration, just one trade was executed. Okay, um and that closed with a loss of $1.6. Only a single completed trade. That is a genuinely small number in dollar terms, and the resulting drawdown was negligible, just a couple of cents on the account. But the more notable thing here is the lack of activity itself. For a system described around dual basket and grid management, which typically implies a higher volume of trades as baskets are opened, managed, and closed. Seeing only one trade complete in this window is something I can't fully explain from the information available. All right, it may come down to the default profile not aligning with this particular broker's symbol conditions or settings that need adjusting for this account type, but that is speculation on my own part. Okay, it's not something confirmed by the data. All right. So what I can say clearly is that with only one trade to look at, there is essentially no historical performance here to evaluate the actual basket and grid mechanics against. No meaningful win rate, no drawdown behavior under load, nothing that reflects how the system manages baskets in practice. All right. So if you are interested in this expert advisor specifically for its grid and basket management logic, I would strongly recommend that you test it yourself with the optimized profiles applied and confirming it is actually generating trade activity on your broker and symbol before drawing any conclusions about how it performs. Okay, so like I already said, I'm not sure exactly what the reason is behind this single trade. But if you're interested in the EA, maybe you can test it across more than one brokers just to know if it is something that has to do with a broker issue. All right. Or you can also try testing it across different assets and time frames as well. All right. So you can know if you will get a different result. Make sure that you are comfortable with what you see before you make any financial commitment. All right. And also remember that past performance does not guarantee future results. As always, test thoroughly on demo. Okay. You should not just jump into a live account when you are not yet sure how an expert advisor will perform, you know, um, in real time market conditions. So it is always advisable to forward test on a demo account before proceeding to a live account. All right. And don't take a single trade as any kind of verdict either way. Okay. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. Okay. In this channel, we cover reviews, and a lot of information that are beneficial for traders. If you are interested in expert advisors, there are several, in fact, there are a lot of reviews that we have done on expert advisors. You can check them out on this YouTube channel. There are a lot of expert advisors that are for sale, and there are also the ones that are free. Okay, so thank you once again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.